Should you invest in Bitcoin or not? That is exact thing that we'll talk in this video. You are searching whether you should be investing in Bitcoin or not. That means you are most probably new and you know too little about Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is showing us a pattern. Year after year, it is showing a pattern. A brief overview of that pattern would be it suddenly rises to the top like the same way the mountain is, and then again it falls down and it consolidates for a little while. It moves in a flat way, and after a while again it bursts and it breaks its all-time high. So by looking that pattern, what you can do is you can wait while investing in Bitcoin. Also, whenever the market of Bitcoin is crashed and it is at the low or it is at the flat, at that time you can invest in Bitcoin for a long term. Now you need to have a proper mindset while investing on Bitcoin in this way, because you need to take the risk that can give you high profit. That's why that risk will also be high. And that means, let's say Bitcoin again crashes down and falls to $10,000 range. Then what you can do is you can invest $10,000 and acquire one Bitcoin, for example, and then be willing to lose all that $10,000 and keep it for a long term, 3 to 5 years. And once it breaks its all-time high, and then you can cash out that Bitcoin. If you have that vision while investing in Bitcoin, then in that case scenario you can be profitable, extremely profitable. Or in the bad scenario, you may lose that all of your investment, that is $10,000. So if you are willing to do that kind of investment in regards of Bitcoin, then this would be a simplest form and long-term investment that can potentially give you high profit, because you will be taking the high risk of losing that $10,000. Or in another way, you can trade on Bitcoin for short term. Whenever it falls down in the bull market, whenever it is going up and it retraces back, at that time you can invest in Bitcoin and then take your profit whenever it goes up. In that way it would be a risky trade. Short-term trades on Bitcoin can be risky, but lots of people are doing that. But if you are new and you really want to profit with Bitcoin in long term, then this could be a best possible way to invest in Bitcoin. Now this investment strategy can be used in any market. Either you are trading share or forex or any market, you can use this strategy. Whenever market crashes or market falls down, at that time you buy that asset and then wait for it to break its all-time high or move up, and then you can sell in the long term, not in the short term. So that way you can move forward, because the Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, and if anything happens to Bitcoin, then most probably all currency will be affected. So that's why Bitcoin investment in Bitcoin would be obviously a smart move, but with the vision of getting profit in long term, not in the short term. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can use Binance. It is one of the trusted platform to trade Bitcoin and all other altcoins too, and it is rising day by day. Its popularity is rising day by day. So this much I wanted to talk in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.